Dreamers, we're here at Endless Summer Resort, which is one of the Universal Orlando resorts, and this is the first time that Hunter and Kelly have been to this hotel, and we're a little excited. I've been here before, so I'm really excited to show them this whole surf theme resort. Super cute. Gonna run over and check in real quick and then go check out our room. You guys ready to hang 10 here at Endless Summer? Oh, good. So Tower 2.
Number 40.
Right, we are in our room.
We got a view of the pool.
Do we have a view of the
awesome
pool?
View.
Wow. Oh, and you can see. What's the shape of the pool, guys?
It's a surfboard.
Oh, you think it's a surfboard?
It would be a surfboard
That's
if that
fish.
wasn't. Oh, okay.
You see a fish?
Yep, it's a fishy. The pool is in the shape of a fishy.
Is there an eye?
No eye.
I can kind of see like a little circle in the water.
Isn't that cool? And then we're right on the water, right on the lake. So look at the little surfer dudes. Those are so cute.
They're vibing.
They are vibing.
This light is cool.
What light?
This one. Look.
Ah, I like it. And then you're right next to that cool curtain.
Yeah.
I love that curtain. I feel like it's water. Do you think it looks like water?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool. Are you ready to go get some dinner?
Nap first.
Nap?
Mm-hmm.
You guys know what time it is. Tim, take it away. It's room tour time. So this is where Kelly is hiding out so I can get footage of the room. We are gonna head downstairs and hop on the shuttle bus over to Universal CityWalk. We're all starting to get a little bit hungry, and on a first day at Universal Orlando, we always love doing something simple like just going to Universal CityWalk and doing some shopping and eating. So that's always an amazing first day activity. And even better, we can just hop on the shuttle bus over there so we don't even have to drive. So we're gonna catch an elevator and go find the bus. What is?
Going down.
Going down. decided to go to Cowfish, and we're lucky enough to get right in. We went at 4 o'clock and it opens at 4, and there was no wait. We went right upstairs and we're seated, which was amazing. And we love the food here, so we're very excited to be eating at Cowfish. Hi, how are you? Yes, could I get a Coke, please?
Maybe the water.
We started with fried pickles. The kids were like, oh, we have to get fried pickles. And then we each got burgers for our entree. I got my regular, which goes by different names. It's the Elvis or the Hunk of Bird in Love. But basically it is bananas, caramelized bananas, peanut butter on a hamburger. Crazy, mind-blowing, but delicious. Kelly got just a regular burger with fries, and then Hunter got something crazy too. She got a burger with cheese and blackberries. Free cheese? Crazy. Oh, and there's a pear on there too? Crazy. Dinner at Cowfish was delicious, and we are stuffed. But now it's time to do some shopping. Hunter wants to find some pop figures, maybe? And then the sun is setting. Look at this view. It's gonna be a beautiful night here at CityWalk. All right, let's go do some shopping. Look, all the Grinch stuff is out for Christmas. The Grinch. Ooh, look at these guys. Look at the gloves with the long fingers, Hunter. That's totally you right there.
I would never wear those, but okay.
Oh, I so need those. Those are awesome.
Do the aesthetic thing.
Nice. And then you can get the hat to go with it.
Wait, look, I can do the heart.
Do a love you all.
I can't.
It's too long. All right, Kelly, let's see it. Look at Groot and Rocket. That's like a super cute backpack. So which one are you looking for? You looking for a pop?
I'm looking for BT21. I don't think they have it here.
Oh yeah, because that's a K-pop one. Nope, you're right. Marvel, Men in Black. Ooh, Men in Black. And you see Jurassic Park too? Ooh.
I have that now.
Our mobile ride is the Universal Orlando Resort app. That's where you want it.
I like it.
Did you hear what I said?
What now?
Do they look nice with my eyes?
Yes, it looks good with your eyes.
I thank you.
We are back in our room from our time at Universal CityWalk. Had so much fun, had dinner at Cowfish and then shopping around. I definitely think I'm gonna come back and get that Grinch onesie. That was so cute. I could totally wear that on Christmas Day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and make sure you click the red subscribe button so you can join us on all of our adventures. For our next video, we are up bright and early for early park admission. We actually get into Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure 1 hour before everybody else, and we are gonna maximize that time. So I hope you guys can join us. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you then. Bye.